Yo, Karla Frétta. My name is Arnar Lörin. I'm a photographer and a video creator from Iceland. So today I'm on a little mission here. You can see it's snowing and beautiful. I want to try to make a drone photo of what is sometimes considered one of Iceland's most bluest waterfalls. Now I say try, you might hear, I said try, because my drone has had some sort of problems lately and I'm not sure if I'm totally, going to, if this is going to work. But that's the whole adventure. Let's see if I can make this happen, okay? Now there's one more thing that might make this mission maybe not possible, is that walking to the waterfall, it's a few kilometers of a hike, which wouldn't be a problem really because it's not a hard trail or anything. It's just that I'm here with my 3-month-old. Yeah. And depending on how this little energy ball handles it, it's gonna, decide if we're able to reach the waterfall, which is just over there. Anyways, the weather is beautiful, it's fantastic here, so let's fingers crossed that the mission is, possible, and fingers also crossed that the drone will work, Okay, so just a quick little video update. This is going much slower than planned because the road is super icy and we're just taking it extremely safe because of the baby. We don't when we're having a baby, safety first. And because of that, we are losing light. In 3 hours it will be dark and I don't want to be here when it's dark. So I'm to be totally honest with you guys, I'm not sure if we will make it. But we're halfway there. And we're gonna try to push a little bit further. As you can see now, I have the baby, and then yes, maybe this will happen, maybe not. Let's see. It's a little adventure, okay?
How's it going?
It's going good.
Do you think we'll make it?
I'm not totally sure, but I'm hoping so,
I think so.
Okay, so as you can see, we made it. The lighting conditions are pretty good, and I'm just gonna pack up the drone and do the shot. We have 2 hours before it's dark, so it should be enough time. Walking here should normally just take an hour, but it took us way longer because of, as I said, the slippery roads and the baby and all that. I didn't fall, the baby didn't fall, but as you saw, the mama fell once, but that was totally okay because nobody was hurt. So I'm gonna put up the drone and see if if this was worth it. At least we had a good time, If the photo didn't work out, me and you had a good time. Now it's always the question what filter should I use? I'm currently have the like ND8, a polarized filter, but I think it's like too much, especially because the shot I want to take is like a top-down shot. It's a pretty classic shot. I've seen it a few times, but it looks sick in these conditions because the water is just super, super blue, and then we have like the black rocks and the snowy, like the white snow. It's gonna look sick, I'm pretty sure. But for the photo, I'm probably not gonna use any ND filter at all, and then I take the drone down and get a few B-rolls, you know, with probably ND4. So because of the drone, we will have to do this by hand. So I'm letting my Falcon fly, okay? We do this, and I don't have 3 hands, so it's like... Take off. And off it goes. Okay, so I think the mission was totally a success. You agree?
Yeah.
Total success. The baby agrees. Now it's starting to get a little bit dark, and it's not a nice place to be here when it's super dark. So we are going to try to get ourselves to the car without falling. Okay? No falling now. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smack that like button. It really helps me out. Consider subscribing because you know I create bunch of videos, and I will catch you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace. Whew. Okay, so we made it to the car right before it was dark, so the mission was kind of successful. Now, I realized that I forgot to tell you why the drone was like not behaving like it should. So I've experienced a little problems with it lately that all of a sudden the batteries go from 100 to 0 and the drone insists to go down wherever it is and I cannot do anything. Super stressful. But before going on this mission, I updated the firmware on all the intelligent batteries and it seemed to have done the trick. So now the drone was working, but it was a little bit stressful like flying it today. I had to like look at it all the time because I didn't want to lose it in the blue river. Anyways, I felt like you should know because I was talking about it, and now I'm just rambling. I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace. Yo. One more thing, I'm hiking. One more, and depending on, you know, how she takes, you know, she can't walk, but... Okay, so just a quick little video update. This is good.